Thumbs up.
Donovan Dennison, coach, Jamaica Defence Force.
All right, Donovan. All right, so far the reports are out. A lot of people are talking in the streets. JDF is a tough team. Everyone is saying that. Are you keeping up with these reports, or you think that you're trying to keep your head solidly grounded and focus on what's at hand?
Well, I haven't heard those reports, you know. I'm just here just playing some football, you know.
The streets are talking, you know.
Well, you hear. I don't hear it, you know.
Yeah.
But, you know, as I know, my team is just playing some good quality football, you know, game to game.
All right, on record, it stated that basically you guys have been one of the fittest teams so far in the competition. What does it take to you guys reach this level of fitness and to maintain that intensity even at this level of the competition?
Well, first and foremost, as soldiers, you know, we must be fit, you know. But while playing football, you know, we take them through some vigorous training first, you know. Bring them, you know, pre-season was a great season for them, you know, so bring them to a certain level. And while the competition is on now, we just get from strength to strength, you know, and we get fitter and fitter.
One of the best defensive record in the competition this season. How important is that defense leading up to this semi-finals right now?
Well, our defense, you know, it has been our captain, you know, a man who have won the National Premier League, you know. He has been around there, you know, keeping the team focused and making some genuine save for us, you know. Honestly, you know, I must hats off to them. You know, we're working hard in training, you understand? So it's just that what they do in training is, you know, manifesting in the games.
They always said military personnel are always mentally ready for anything, but is your team actually mentally ready for this one?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. This is a mission that, you know, we need to accomplish, and, you know, as soldiers, you know, we set ourselves out, you know, to always accomplish all the missions that we set.
Well done, Coach. Wish you all the best. I know you guys have a fight in you, and I'll see you guys in the semi-finals. And congratulations on advancing to the semi-finals. And we'll see how this one goes. Yeah, Coach?
Thank you very much.